This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make website animation in Canva. First, open your Canva design and select the element you wish to animate. Look for the Animate button in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a panel of animation options. You can then preview different effects to see how they enhance your design. Canva offers a wide range of animation styles to bring your website to life. You can select from basic animations like fade or pan for a subtle touch, or choose more dynamic options such as bounce or tumble to grab attention. Experiment with different styles to find the perfect fit for each element and your overall design. Beyond the presets, Canva allows you to customize your animations further. You can often adjust the direction an element enters from or control its speed and intensity. For example, make text slide in from the left quickly or have an image slowly fade into view. These small adjustments make a big difference in your website's interactivity. Once your animations are perfect, it's time to export your design. Canva allows you to download your creation as an MP4 video or a GIF, which are excellent for web use. If you're building a website directly in Canva, the animations will be automatically included. Always check your final output to ensure everything looks exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.